times the width times the height. The length of B is labeled for me, easy peasy, so it's a 12. The width shows me how far back it goes. It is not labeled. And generally the width of composite figures are the same, but let's just make sure. I'm going to go to the opposite side to that width. So this width is not labeled either, so I'm going to keep drawing my lines to the opposite side until I find a number, and voila. My width is 10 inches. Now I need to see how tall B is. Well, B is just this tall. It's not labeled. So I'm going to use some information it gives me. It tells me that the top of B to the bottom of A is 4 inches. I just want to know, though, how tall that little piece is. So if I chopped A away, whack, if I chop it off, I really chopped off how many inches? 2 inches. So it would be like removing 2 inches, leaving me with only 2 inches for my height. So the height of B is 2. 12 times 10 is 120. 120 times 2 is, right, and then 240. So B's volume is 240. So we know that we want to know how many they are together, though. So to do that, we need to add 320 plus 240. And we get a total volume of 560, which is your answer. Now, if you notice the little tiny 3s in all your answers, that just means cubed. Do not let that freak you out. Your answers are usually going to say cubic, or they're going to have an exponent of a 3. But that's what it means.